Hey everybody, welcome to the Huntsman's Harvest. Today we are going to be making moose jerky out of a cross rib roast. Now would be the time when you want to clean it up. So we're going to remove all this excess fat, connective tissue, just make it how we want it. Now that we got our meat all cleaned up, it's time to slice it. Today we're going to be using an electric slicer, but if you don't have one of these at home, absolutely use a knife. To ensure you have consistent slices, we are going to do it anywhere between 3 and 5 millimeters. You also want to make sure when you are cutting it, you do it against the grain. Next, we're going to get started on our marinade. We're going to start with our wet ingredients. So, to start, we need 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1½ tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar, 1½ tablespoons of cold water, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of steak spice, 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. We're going to mix it all up. Now we are going to add our moose meat to the marinade. Make sure it's all coated evenly. We're going to cover this up, throw it in the fridge, and let it marinate for 18 to 24 hours. Look what we got. We just pulled our moose jerky out of the smoker. It was in there for about 4 hours at about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks and smells amazing. It is tender, it's soft, pulls apart real easy, tastes delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed our moose jerky recipe. It was an absolute pleasure to have you follow me around the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this, please let us know. You can share, subscribe, like. That would mean a lot to us and it does help our channel.